Shalom, sisters. This is Sister Brianna, and I'm going to be making unleavened bread. So the first thing I got, as you can see, is this pan. Gotta get my bowl. I'm going to use this bowl, guys. And then it says that I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So I got this bowl, measuring cup. And here's a cup. I got 2 cups of flour. As you can see, a cup of flour in this one, and 1 cup. I got another cup. As you can see, another cup. Flour in there. Next, I need a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon salt. As you guys can see, salt. Next, it says I need a teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of sugar. See? Teaspoon. Put the sugar in here. The sugar. Next, you need oil, cooking oil. Tablespoon of oil, cooking oil. Now it's time to mix it. I got the whisk, and now I gotta mix it. So yeah, that's supposed to look like pancake batter. So that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing it, mixing it, mixing it. It's coming together. That's the pancake batter that's supposed to look like. And then, so now it's done. As you can see, it's done. Now I'm supposed to put some oil in a pan, in this pan. Oil in a pan. And I got one of these. I got one of these, guys. So I'm going to put some of this and wash it around in a pan. So unleavened bread. So I got my plate and this. So once I'm done making some of them, I put it on the plate. Oh, I think I messed up the first one. Maybe, I don't know. And I gotta get a spatula. Got a spatula and I gotta flip it. of breaking apart. As you can see, that's breaking apart a little bit, but I mean, it's still gonna come out the way it's supposed to come out, but just as it's breaking apart a little bit. See, I made a new one, guys, as you can see. That's how it's supposed to look. I gotta flip it. I gotta flip it. Come out good. I made some of this before last time with my friend. Okay. So I'm doing it again to show y'all. The last time I made it, I didn't show you guys me making it the first time. But no, but the first one that she made was from a different recipe that wasn't all that great. But then we found this recipe and it came out pretty good. But I didn't record that before. But I'm recording it now so you guys can see. This side is brown. This side is getting brown. But basically, that's basically how you're supposed to do all the rest of them. I don't know if I want me to keep. I don't know if you want to see me do all the rest of them or not. But that's basically how you're supposed to make it. I mean, it ain't supposed to have a hole in it, but it does. But yeah, here is one that I made. I'm gonna taste it for you guys on camera, so y'all know my truly honest opinion of how it tastes. It tastes okay. It tastes like, basically like sweet flatbread. It don't have no really flavor to it. And you can make, and the good thing about Unleavened bread is you can put anything you want inside of it. If you wanted to make it blueberry flavored or apple flavored, I'm pretty sure you could do that. You can play around with it. You don't have to do it basic like I did, but this is basic. It don't taste like nothing. It tastes like sweet flatbread. I mean, this one could have had a little bit more sugar in it, a little bit, to make it a little bit more sweet. But it's pretty good. I like it. But yeah. Yep.